Marcus Aurelius taught that much of human suffering arises from trying to control what is beyond our reach: other people's opinions, accidents, the weather, the economy, or the behavior of others are aspects that do not depend on us. Trying to dominate them only generates frustration. True freedom begins when we recognize what we can control: our mind, our decisions, and our actions. Imagine someone insults you at work. Your initial reaction may be anger, resentment, or sadness. These emotions are natural, but Aurelius invites us to ask, does it depend on me what this person says or thinks? The answer is no. What does depend on you is how you respond. You can react with anger, or you can remain calm, defend yourself respectfully, or simply ignore the provocation. This choice determines your inner peace. Controlling your reactions requires daily practice. Start by observing your thoughts without judgment. Each time you notice a negative emotion, ask yourself if it arises from something outside your control. If it does, consciously let it go. This practice doesn't mean being indifferent. It means prioritizing your well-being and acting from serenity rather than impulsiveness. Understanding what depends on you also strengthens your responsibility. Your decisions, habits, and attitudes are yours. No one can force you to lose patience, give up, or stop trying. When you recognize this, every daily action becomes an exercise in freedom and self-control. Modern life is full of stimuli and external pressures: social media, constant news, others' expectations. Aurelius reminds us not to let these forces sweep us away. The key is to keep your focus on your mind and your actions. That way, even in a chaotic world, you can remain calm and act with clarity. The first step toward a transformative life is to assume this responsibility. Ask yourself daily, what depends on me in this situation? Start small: how you respond to an email, a comment, or an inconvenience. Gradually, this practice becomes a habit that protects your serenity, strengthens your character, and changes your life from the inside out. Chapter 2: The Brevity of Life.